Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this shiny text effect on CapCut PC without using the Pro feature. Add in your text. I'm just going to type in the word shiny, and I'm also going to select this as a font. You can use any font you want, of course. You're then going to select the color of your choice. I'm just going to go with purple. You can, again, here use the Pro feature, but if you don't have this, you can just easily go to effects and find the angel effect, and you're just going to select it and add it on top of your text like that. It isn't as perfect, but here you can adjust the strength, and let me just select both, right click, create compound clip. Okay, maybe not create compound clip. If you want to make it as an overlay, just export it first if you can't create it into compound clip, or maybe make the text compound clip first and then try to add it, but I'm not sure that works now. But you can definitely add in the angel filter effect on top to create a similar effect. It's not going to be 100% the same, of course, but it is pretty cool still, and you can adjust the effect using keyframes here and stuff like that. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!